Smith from Get Connected Television, and I am live on location at the CES show for 2008, and I'm excited to introduce to you David Caruso and Niles Lahr. They are starting a new business together in technology and digital. So tell me a little bit more about that.
Lexicon Digital Communications will be about advanced video distribution and hopefully original content at some point, relicensed content, and making things generally easier for the viewer and the customer to find content around the world and so on. My esteemed colleague Niles Lahr is the man, and he is going to make everything easier for people.
It's going to make everything easier. So can you tell me, now I know that you were saying that there's a little bit of a secret. You can't completely come out and tell us exactly what it is, but tell me a little bit about your vision for the company and where you want to go in the next year or two with this.
Sure. I've been involved in the digital space for quite some time, and this problem has been mounting, obviously, as people kind of try and get the content they want, and that work is mounting, and we're going to really help them with that. I can't really say much about how we're going to do that.
Top secret.
It's very top secret. We've brought out some of those technologies in the industry, in the professional sports. There's a company called Synergy Sports where we're doing some live components to digital video editing that is revolutionary in that sport, and that's components of that will be what we're bringing out. Additionally, much more. It's going to be exciting.
LDC's belief is that, as we say, time is the enemy. Because if you have a limited amount of time, as we all do as adults who have responsibilities, we don't want you to spend a lot of time searching for your content. We want you to be able to design your week, your interests, your own menu, and that is going to be a big part of what we're doing. We're also working on some internet projects. So we have some hits in the pipeline, so to speak.
That's fascinating.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
And how did you two meet? Have you known each other for years? Like, what sparked this business partnership and this idea?
There's a two-word answer for that, and the answer is Frank 9.
Frank 9?
Frank.
He will smile like we do when
That's
you meet
right, when
that
you meet
two-word
Frank.
answer.
Oh, okay.
That's Frank 9. He's our third partner and one of the founders of the company. He introduced Niles and I, which I'm thrilled about. We're stuck with Frank, but that's a part
You're
of
stuck with Frank.
it.
Well, that's just lovely. So what are you doing down here at the CES show today? I saw that you've done some interviews. Are you wandering around? Like, what have you seen here?
Well, some amazing things. We are in the possible market for partnering on projects and so on. But one of the things that we're doing is just essentially revealing the company and saying hello as a company. And making it clear to some degree what we're doing. As Niles said, we can't talk about everything, but we're very, very much a part of this and are very excited about what we're doing.
That's fantastic. Yeah. Well, thank you both
very
much
Linsday.
for coming out here and telling the world about your new project. I think
Appreciate
that's fantastic.
Thank you
very
very
much.